Good morning, everyone. Chapter number 3, function concept. I was teaching in 12th class computer science, Python programming, and I have completed the concept which is as per your syllabus, CBSE syllabus. In today's class, I will teach you some board-based questions, and it is basically output-based questions. Some programming also I will give you today, and then we'll go for the next chapter. For that purpose, I will share a screen for you. The screen is shared now. And I will open Python programming, ideally that is integrated development environment. And I'll go to the script mode to write programs. And please note down the question also. So the question now, first you write, find and write the output. This is CBSE sample paper 2019-20 question. Write it. Find and write the output of the following Python code. I've already explained and I've also given you the different output based questions, but today you go as per CBSE sample paper. The first question is, find and write the output of the following Python code. And I'm writing code here. A is equals to 10, then def call global A. A is equals to 15, B is equals to 20, print A. And then I'm calling the function. I don't think it is a difficult program or to get the output of this is difficult. Simple program, A equals to 10. So when you run the program, this is known as, now I'm explaining it. The question is given this much only. Find and write the output of the following Python code. And then this question is there, A equals to 10, def call global A equals to 15, B is equals to 20, print A call. Now what will be the output? Just learn. Here I am writing the comment. The first comment I'm writing here. Global A, no problem. Then global A defined. Defined in call function. Then A is 15, B is 20, print A. What will be the result when you will call the function? Initially it was 10, then A changed to the 15, B is 20, but actually the B value is not used at all. And simply they have used print A. When they will call and run the program, the result will be 15 only. Run. Give any name. I'll give AB. Now see, result is 15. So this is a board-based question which I have given you the sample paper of CBSE sample paper 2019-20. Okay. So next question I will give you here as, this is CBSE sample paper again 2019-20 question. Find and write the output of the following Python code. I will write program now. Def 1 S is there, then K equals to length S, M is equals to quotes. After that, they are using loop for I in range 0, K, 0, K. If S of I dot is upper colon M is equals to M plus S of I dot lower. M is equals to M plus Si dot lower. Else, L if S of I dot is alpha, L if S of I dot is alpha, M is equals to M plus S of I dot upper. Then it's given here else colon M is equals to M plus PB. This is not my program, it's board-based question, CBSE sample paper 2019-20. That's why I'm just copying from the book. Normally, I write my own program. I don't look into book. But as I have to give you some board-based questions, so that's why I'm referring book. Next is print M. And then calling print M should be not here, rather in the tab space here. Then final statement here is calling the function that is fun. Now what value you are giving, that is also given in the book. Directly they have given, no problem. Fun function, and they are given the value as SCHOOL@com, and then quotes close, single or double quotes, whichever you are using, school2@com. Now you have to get the output of it. So school 1, school2@com is passed. @com is passed. So here S will get the value as, what will be the value of S? S is equals to S is small only. School 2@com. Remember that. Now what happens here? First of all, it will find the length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is the length. Now M is equals to quotes blank 11. Now 0. S of 0, that is S. S of 0 is upper. M is equals to M plus Si dot lower. If it is upper, but it is not upper, then S of I dot is upper. I will take some upper character in it later on. In this question, no uppercase character is given. So no problem. I will go for the board and then I will change so that you will get a different result. No problem. So I will get here SI upper. So just leave it because no upper character is there. You just come to the else if is alpha, it is alpha. It is alpha, of course, S is alphabet. Then this will become as capital S. I will write that it will become as capital S. I'll put one more remark here. Make some space also. Then the SI value is now capital S. Then again it is alphabet, then capital C, then capital H, then capital OOL. This much is there. After that, next point is if upper 2, no, it's not upper. Then next is your alpha. 2 is not alpha. Else, then what it is? It is BB. So instead of 2, BB is written. Hopefully the point is clear. SCHOOL are now all capital because they are alphabet. And then we are using BB. BB means in place of 2, BB will come. Then the next point here is at the rate. At the rate. Now the value of school and then BB. Now it will check again. It is not alphabet. Now what is the previous value? That is VB. So VB is stored here. And then com will come as capital. So the result is, answer is school 4 times BB and com. Let's see the result. Let's see. Correct. Hopefully the point is clear to you. Okay. So as I told you, I will take the different value. Should I repeat it again? All the small letters are converted to the uppercase and all that. Now I'll make little change in it and I will give some values as capital. SCHOOL and then I will give this COM and I will give change also L as capital. So what happens here? First output is clear to you. Then if it is upper, then it will become as small. Now this is small s. And the question also will change here. Pass as SCHOO and capital L here. And then at the rate com. C capital. So this S will become small, then CHOO, and this L again will become small. And then B, and this C will become small. And these two. So this will be the change in the program. I have started with a board-based question, but this is my own question. Now next, again I am making some changes here, and then I am writing here, if S of I dot is upper, M plus Si dot lower. Else, if S of I dot is lower, now I am writing. Okay, just a minute. Close it. I will run this and show to you the result. SCHOOL small b c small o. ठीक है? You also write these programs and run. Clear? Okay. So now I'm making some more changes in the program. I'm writing here is upper and then here I'm writing is lower. M plus asterisk. If lower, M plus is. So what is the result here? Values past this only. If upper, small. If lower, then this value is now changed to C is changed to asterisk, H is changed to asterisk, O is changed to asterisk. Again, O is changed to asterisk, and capital L is changed to small l. Once it is 2, it will change to BB, and once it is at the rate, it is changed to BB, and once it is capital, it is small, and then asterisk asterisk. Understood? Run it. S, 4 asterisk, then L, B, C asterisk. One more program I will take and then I'll go for the next. And that I'm taking here as the next program. I'll keep this only, and then if it is upper, then what I'm writing, M is equals to M plus M plus ampersand I will take now. And if it is lower, then what I will do, just pay attention. I will take here, if it is lower, then I will take here M plus S of I minus 1. M plus S of I minus 1. I will keep this as BB only, or you want to change, you change it to asterisk. I will get totally a different result. Values I am passing this only. Now see the result here. Now if it is upper, it is changed to the ampersand sign. If it is lower, then it will hold the value of, remember, this is very technical, the previous value, and it will take S. Okay. Just I will take a small example. Only 2 characters. And let's see the result is going on there. Correct. 100% correct. So next, if I'll take again a small letter, run. So the previous is That's very technical. I will take the example now. SCHOOL@COM. Now please pay attention here. Pay attention, please. The first program which I am taking here, S of I dot is upper, M plus ampersand and M plus minus and S. Now first the value of S is capital S, then it is changed to ampersand. Next is C. Next is C. If it is C, then it will take its previous value, that is S. Understood? So that is why in this column, C is lowercase. And what is written here? You take I minus 1, that is 1 minus 1, that is 0. So at 0, S is there. It will take S. Now when it is coming to H, it is again lower. That means 2 minus 1 is 1. At 1 index number, C is there. So it will take C. Then next is O. It will take H. Then next is O. It will take O only because next value is previous value was O only. Now after that, L is there, capital L. So it will take ampersand sign. Then 2 is there. It will take asterisk. If ampersand is there, it will take asterisk. So any other character. Then capital C is there, then it will take ampersand sign. Then small o is there, it will take capital C. Then M is there, it will take small. And that will be the final result. I am showing you the result. Don't think it is very difficult result. Just see. Ampersand S C H O ampersand asterisk asterisk ampersand CO. I will clear the screen and then I will show to you the result. Run module. Ampersand S C H O ampersand asterisk asterisk ampersand capital C and O. Hopefully the point is clear. Last time I am explaining you. First of all, we have ampersand. Ampersand. Why we are getting ampersand? Because capital S is there. Then we are having C, and when it is lower, 1 minus value, so C before C, S is there, so S has come. H, before H, C is there, C has come. O, before O, H is there, H has come. O, before O is there, O has come. Capital L is there, so ampersand. 2 is there, asterisk, ampersand is there, of course, asterisk. Capital C is there, ampersand. O is there, before that C, capital C was there, so capital C will come. M is there, before M, O was there. Because I have written I minus 1. So that's why it is taking value like this. Hopefully this much concept is also clear to you. Last question I will take for you. And this I will give you as assignment. Try to complete it. Otherwise, I will finish this in the or complete in the next class. Actually, my time is over. So what I am thinking, I will teach you this program again in the next class, so that again it is a board-based question. So I wanted to solve it for you. So that I will do. Okay. So take care of yourself. We'll meet again in the next class. Okay. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Bye, Bitta.